to Forest Camp. We're just gonna go chill. Let's go. So guys, first stop is Lanavia because we haven't eaten for breakfast and we are really tired because of the long drive. Our food has arrived. I got chicken tocino. Oh, look at that oozy eggs. I'm almost full. I'm almost done with my food.
Are you left-handed?
What? No. No. So guys, we are now at Tanhai Jollibee and Mom's gonna order some food and we are here right now. Yeah! So guys, now we are here at Forest Camp. I'm going to give you a tour and maybe surprise myself too. Yes, we're going in. Now we're going to the restaurant where we ordered our delicious food. Okay, a moment of silence needs to take over. So guys, I am excited because I'm going to swim soon. Are you excited? Oh, Mom's not gonna swim. You're not gonna swim. Oh, Mom. The waterfall, and that place looks good if you want, you like eat there and stuff because you can see the real nature. What is that? What is that thing? Is it a bowl? Looks cute. Guys, we're going in the bridge. Here at the mini Forest Camp Garden. Wow, this is so cool. We're gonna take a picture. I really want to take a picture here.
Asa mo ka mo sunod sa basket?
Okay, nga naman. Pwede na ba na?
Oo.
So guys, we are getting our food because it's self-service. The Forest Camp is a mountain resort of about 20 minutes from Dumaguete City. They have a cold spring pools, cottage for day use, rooms for overnight stay, function halls for seminars, and restaurant for dining. The trees, cold chilly waters, and the ambience, where we experience the true tropical spirit. That's all for now. Don't forget to take a break, breath, and of course, see you next time!